Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to all our panels today and all people that are watching this program. First of all, I would like to introduce our panels. The first one, Mr. Faris from University Kuala Lumpur. The second one with the blue baju raya, Professor Marwan from University Oxford. And the last one, the handsome Dr. Rizlan from University Malaya. Today, we will have a forum program. Our topic today is computers can substitute teachers in class. First of all, we would like to hear some opinion from our first panelist, Mr. Faris.
Okay. Thanks to Mr. Pipi for, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Pipi for inviting me and all my fellow friends to the program. So, based on the question that Mr. Pipi asked to me, I'm totally not agree with the statement because computer will only help us to increase our knowledge, not to help us to learn information. For as an example, computer can help us to find more information which teacher are not provide to us. As for teacher, he will give to us information and explain to us from A to Z. For example, we can conclude that a subject mathematics, teacher will explain to us how to use the formula that are given to solve the question. But computer will only show us the step working, not show and explain to us how to do and complete the exercise. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Faris. Next, I would like to invite Professor Marwan to give his opinion for this statement.
Thank you, Mr. Fikri. So the question is, should computers replace teachers? I would say yes. The reason is, students are always distracted by what the teachers are saying, doing, or even wearing. The teachers get very frustrated when they are teaching because the students are not concentrate and doing other things. Okay, if computers replace teachers, the students will be able to concentrate more because they have no distraction, unlike the teachers. When the teachers teach, they will give false information, unlike computers. Using computers is way more efficient and faster. For example, writing is slower and not as neat as computer. So that's all for my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Professor Marwan. Second, do you all think the computers save a lot of time and more efficient? Now, we will hear some opinion from our professional panels, Mr. Rizlan.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Pipi, for inviting me to this forum.
Okay, welcome.
Okay, I'm totally disagree with the question that you asked for just now.
Why, Mr. Rizlan?
Because if the computers replace teachers, the learning is not so effective and not so efficient. What I mean is, one of the best way of learning is interaction between the teachers and the students.
Face to face?
Yeah, face to face. eye-to-eye contact.
Okay.
Um, in that way, students can ask teacher question directly, and teacher can also answer the students' question in the time being. Okay.
That's good.
Talk about eye-to-eye contact, two-way communication. I remember that my father have told me every time before I go to school, I went to school. When I'm sitting in the class, my father always remind me to look at teacher's face. So I'm doing just like what my father told me. Then I'm studying about that. I'm studying why my father asked me to do that. So when I take degree in philosophy of human interaction, what my father told is what I'm doing is one way of interaction. I can easily take the information that given from the teachers. Yes, but
Okay, thank you, Mr. Islan. So from Mr. Islan, we can conclude he is. Yes, sorry.
I want to add some more point to the Mr. Rizlan as you say that computer should not replace teacher in the classroom. Yeah, I'm totally agree with that. Computer can help us to be more to be more informed, get more information. But in the future, technology is not a lesson, but it is there to enhance the lesson that we learn from teacher. That's all.
Okay, Professor Malwan, do you agree with them?
After hearing all of their opinions, I agree with computers should not replace teachers.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Marwan. Okay, my last question for all our panels. I think the computers is too expensive to buy for students like teenagers. Do you agree, Mr. Ridlan?
My friend is that always expensive.
Because it is too expensive, it will burn a hole in the pocket of their parents. So I think I want to hear some opinion from Ms. Professor Marwan about the price of the computer.
Okay, I think the computers is much more cheaper than to pay a teacher because when you buy a computer, you can use it to do the assignments or even with homework. So there's a lot other things you can do beside learning with the computer.
Oh, I agree. How about you, Mr. Faris?
For my opinion, I'm with Mr. Rizal that I'm with Mr. Rizal not disagree with the statement because for some poor family they can afford to buy a laptop. Unlike the rich family, they can buy anything that they want. Okay? For the poor family, they have to use the money to buy more something that are necessary for them to learn. For example, they can buy book, go to tuition. If they use the money to buy the computer, it will help. It will make them suffer the parent and burden the family.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Faris. So from our forums today, we can conclude that the computers have advantage and disadvantage. So we need to take the advantage from the computers, but we can use both of them. We can use the computers and we can use the teachers in our class. So we will get more advantage and more benefit to success. Is that right? Okay, thank you. So I think we will end our forum program. Okay, thank you for all panels for coming to this program. Thank you for all that watching our video. Thank you guys.